Good morning, students. Before starting today's session, first we will quickly revise all entries. Basic rules of accounts. चलो जल्दी जल्दी से basic rules of accounts revise करते हैं. Number one is a traditional approach: personal account, real account, nominal account. Debit the debtor, credit the creditor. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debtor becomes giver, creditor becomes receiver. Real account debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Personal and real account are carried to balance sheet and nominal accounts are transferred to P&L. Modern approach: asset debit balance, liability credit balance, expenses debit balance, income credit balance, and capital account credit balance. Now we have to understand basic special transactions. Chapter number 1, bill of exchange. If you can match my speed, it means your basics are clear. So आप मेरा speed match करने की पूरी कोशिश करना. So first entry for bill of exchange is a debtors account debit to sales, that is drawer account debit, drawee account debit to sales. Second transaction will be drawee के ऊपर हमने bill निकाला, so bill receivable account debit to drawee. There are 4 situations. Number 1 is a bill retained, so that is will be no entry, bill discounted, bank account debit, discount account debit to bill receivable. Third entry will be creditors account debit to bill receivable. Last entry will be bill sent for collection account debit to bill receivable. ये चारों entries आपको समझ में आ रही है मेरे स्पीड से, तो आपका अकाउंट बेहतरीन हो चुका है. ड्यू डेट इफ ऑनर के केस में बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल रिसीवेबल, इन सेकंड केस नो एंट्री. एंडोर्समेंट और डिस्काउंटेड के केस में लास्ट एंट्री में बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल सेंड फॉर कलेक्शन. इन केस ऑफ डिसऑनर, ड्रॉई अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट, ड्रॉई अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अकाउंट, ड्रॉई अकाउnt debit to endorsee account, and drawee account debit to bill sent for collection account. In case of bill accepted, that is the first entry, purchases account debit to creditors account debit to bills payable account debit to bank. In case of honor and dishonor, में bills payable account debit to creditors account will get reopened. So beta, these are some entries related to bill of exchange. After that, we have seen goods sent on approval, that is the second chapter. In second chapter, we have 3 approaches: casual approach, frequently approach, and numerous approach. Casual approach में debtors account debit to sales will be the first entry. That is on the date of dispatching goods, you only send, record the sales entry. So after that, suppose goods are rejected, entry will be sales account debit to debtors account, and in goods are accepted, no entry. In case of 31st of March, you are going to reverse that entry, sales account debit to debtors, and inventory lying with customer account debit to trading, cost or market value, whichever is lower. And next year, if acceptance is there, in that case, will you pass entry, debtors account debit to sales. But in case of rejection, there will be no entry in next year. Next year के बारे में बात करें. After that, we have seen consignment chapter के entries. Consignment account to goods sent on consignment is the first entry. Consignment account debit to bank. Consign or incurred expenses. Third entry will be consignment account debit to consignee. Fourth entry will be sales made by the consignee. So or bills receivable भी बोल सकते हो. Bills receivable account debit to consignee account. Bank account debit to consignee if advance is paid. Sales made by the consignee. Consignee account debit to consignment and commission by the consignee. तो आपको commission pay करना है consignee को, तो consignment का खर्चा है. So consignment account debit to consignee. Stock on consignment account debit to consignment. Next entry will be bank account debit to consignment, that is a settlement entry. And last will be consignment to P&L, and last entry goods sent on consignment to trading account. In case of average due date, the formula will be best date is the earliest date plus total product upon total amount. हमारे केस में कभी भी माइनस आंसर नहीं आएगा, because earliest date is considered as the best date. So good morning to all of you, and now we are going to start with this interesting session of average due date. And one more chapter is there. Yes, consignment problems. After break, we will try to solve maximum questions. So good morning. Akash Verma ji, Gunjan Devi, Saurabh Verma, Ishan Bishat. Yes, beta, please explain illustration 8 of the consignment and ADD for loan. Yes, beta, definitely. Ishan ji, yes, good morning, beta. Srinidhi, Achal ji, good morning to many students. Sir, voice is not audible. ऐसा एक query आया है समीर सिंह जी का. Yes, मुझे बताइए, मेरा voice एकदम clear है. Speed fast था, पर voice clear रहेगा. अभी मेरा speed अपने आप slow हो जाएगा. Yes. Illustration number 1, I have already explained you. Illustration number 1. So now it's time to first start with average due date. Today we have short of time. We have to cover average due date plus consignment, some difficult questions. Good morning. Voice is clear. वॉइस स्लो है आज, अंजना बोल रही है. सौरभ वर्मा बोल रहे हैं वॉइस इज लो मेरा. यस, ठीक है, चलो. जस्ट आपके क्वेरीज एक बार देख लेता हूं। वॉइस एक बार चेक कर लेता हूं मैं, वॉइस चेक कर लूंगा। ओके, फेस्टिवल सीजन्स बहुत सारे हैं, प्लीज डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम इन फेस्टिवल्स। दिस इज योर एग्जाम इज इन डिसम्बर, सो one minute is also crucial, so I suggest you all डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम। गणपति आएंगे, उसके बाद नवरात्रि आएगी, बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल लाइन टू बैक फेस्टिवल्स है, फिर उसके बाद दिवाली है। पर ये दिवाली आपके लिए नहीं है, इतना याद रखिए। जल्दी से जल्दी पढ़ाई स्टार्ट कर दीजिए। मैं रोज ये बोलूंगा नहीं, ओनली 3 months लेफ्ट इन योर सीए करियर, तो हो सकता है उतना आप फोकस रहना। चलिए, ओके ओके। ओपन क्वेश्चन नंबर, वेटेज ऑफ एवरेज, वेटेज ऑफ दिस चैप्टर बेटा रफिका जी is almost 15 to 20 marks. Chalo, now it's a warm up time beta, so I'm going to take illustration number 2. Yes beta, any base date you will get the same answer. Beta, it's a standard practice that we consider Manviji earlier date as a base date, so it's a standard practice. So we normally consider earlier date as a base date. So please make some distance between mouth and microphone so that voice should be audible. Maybe please try it once, sir. Okay. अभी डिस्टेंस तो बहुत सारा होता है, वापस मैंने दूर पकड़ा तो आवाज क्लियर नहीं आता। यस, ठीक है। प्रियंका झा जी, यस आई एम वेरी गुड बेटा। रोहित शर्मा, सारे क्वेश्चन हमने सॉल्व कर लिए, वेरी गुड बेटा। द फॉलोइंग अमाउंट्स आर ड्यू टू एक्स बाय वाई, वाई वांट्स टू पे एक्स टू वाई। यस, सो एक्स यहाँ पे ड्यू टू एक्स बाय वाई, सो वाई जो है वाई इज गोइंग टू पे एंड एक्स is going to receive, x is going to receive और y is going to pay, इतना याद रखिए। 10 January 500 rupees, 26 Jan, so Republic Day है, so we will consider 25th Jan, 23rd March, 18th August. So बेटा now it's your time, आप मुझे help करोगे for calculation. So we will consider 17th August, okay, preceding day. So how to solve this question? Understanding. First, whenever you are writing the answer, first make sure that you will write format average due date. What is the formula? Base date plus total product divided by total amount. Step 1, total product. टोटल प्रोडक्ट में सबसे पहले आएगा 10th Jan, total amount 788,500. So total amount we are aware 8,500. Due date, so what is the base date? Is the 10th Jan. 10 Jan. After that, 25th Jan, 23rd March, and after that 17th August. Amount 5134. Number of days 0, 15. जैन के 31 होते हैं, so 10 days over base date से. So number of days from 10th Jan. So number of days from 10th Jan. So 10 Jan से कितने दिन है? 10 Jan से 25 मार्च, सॉरी 23 मार्च. Jan के 21 are remaining from 10th Jan. Feb के 28 and 23. 72. 72. And here Jan के 21, Feb 28, March 31st, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, and August 17 means August. 17th August 17. So 21 plus 28 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 plus 70. 219. Now I am going to use memory plus function. Which function I am going to use, beta? Memory plus function. $500 into 0, 1000 into 15 memory plus, 72 into 3000 memory plus, 2,16,000 and 219 into 4000 memory plus. So this will save your time. 8,76,000 memory recall, and I am getting the answer 2,31,000. Sorry, something is missing. Sorry, memory में ये बटन कैल्सी ने धोखा दे दिया. 11,07,000. हाँ, 8,500. So 11,07,000 I am getting the amount. Divide by 8,500. 130 days. So 130.23. So 130.23. Then beta you have to consider 130 days. 0.5 के ऊपर होगा तो आगे लेके जाना. 0.5 के नीचे रहेगा. If it's less than 0.5, so previous day, previous number, and if more than 0.5 or 0.5, then it will be next number. 131 days. Make sure that you will calculate correct answer. 130 days. How to calculate? So बेटा जैन पे कैल्सी पे लीजिए. जैन का कितना बाकी है? जैन का still remaining 130 means 21 days are still remaining for Jan. So कैल्सी पे it is showing 109. February 28, deduct it from February 28. It is showing 81. So deduct 31st March of March. Deduct April का 30. So I am getting the answer 20 May. So correct answer is 20 May. Yes, you can take a screenshot now. If you want, you can take a screenshot how to present the answer. Easy છે. ટેલ મી ઇઝી છે? ચલો ફાસ્ટ ફાસ્ટ ફાસ્ટ. क्लियर है ना आवाज? ओके. चलो नेक्स्ट वन. बेटा 18 अगस्त 18 अगस्त को आपको कैलकुलेशंस जो करने हैं वो कैलकुलेशंस आपके यहाँ पे मैंने लिखे हुए. 18 अगस्त कहाँ से आपको नहीं आया? 18 अगस्त 18 अगस्त इज बेटा संडे. दैट्स व्हाई वी विल कंसीडर प्रीसीडिंग डे. दैट्स व्हाई वी विल कंसीडर प्रीसीडिंग डे. चलिए आगे जाते हैं. नाउ वी विल सॉल्व वन मोर क्वेश्चन फॉर. Yes, one more question. Wait. Now this question is not yet completed. Now, when you are making payment on 20th May, you are making payment, it is average due date. But suppose if you are making payment on 18th March, कब payment किया? Write down. Understand. Payment on 18th March. So here, Y will save interest. Y will save interest from 18th March to 20 May. 18th March to 20 May. ओके सो कैलकुलेट कितने डेज होते? 18th मार्च के 13 डेज, अप्रैल के 30 डेज एंड मई के 20 डेज. हाउ मेनी डेज? 63 days. Therefore, interest saved is equal to 8,500 into, tell me percentage, 8% per annum. So 8% into 63 upon 365. Answer is very easy. 8,500 into 8% into 63 upon 365. So answer is, yes, calculate, 117. Therefore, amount payable by Y to X is equal to 8,500 and he will save interest 117. So answer is 8383. Over. Easy है? चलो लिखो जल्दी से. Take a screenshot or second you will calculate now. Second one you will calculate. I am giving you exactly 1 minute. चलो calculate कीजिए फटाफट. In second case, when payment is made on 14 July. So average due date के बाद payment किया 14th July. This is situation 1. Now you will calculate for situation number 2. चलो जल्दी से. आ रहा है, मैं सिर्फ टाइम दिया था उनको सॉल्व के लिए। So what is the correct answer, beta? Correct answer is, now you have to pay interest. Payment on 14 July. How much is amount? 8602 you have to pay. I will show you the answer. I will show you the answer. Yes. Now this is the answer part. Who answered very fast? 102. 8602. Very good. Yes. 8602 is the answer. Yes. In second case, we are making payment late. So we have to add our interest. Add interest. ठीक है, इजी है। चलो, solve illustration number 3. चलो, tell me fast number of days. I want 13th November as a base date. चलो, for illustration number 3, I'm giving you exactly 5 minutes. Yes. What are due dates? चलो, due dates मैं इधर ही लिख देता हूँ। 13/11, October 24 का 22 plus 60 days. बेटा don't add 2 months, हाँ? Don't add 2 months. 60 days how to calculate बेटा? अक्टूबर के 9, नवंबर 30, $21, and 4 grace days. 4 grace days, 21 plus 3. 2 months beta, December 4 plus 2 months, 7th Jan, Feb, January 14. 14 plus 6 plus 6 plus 10, 16, 17, 17 plus 28, 60 minus 17 plus 28, 15 and 3, 18 March and 17th May. Chalo, now these are some due dates. Now calculate. Due date means maturity date over here. Calculate, calculate, calculate. Now which is the base date? You will consider 13th November. 13th November is the base date. Chalo, chalo, chalo. So show me the calculation. 0. Do it fast. 41 आएगा ये. Fast, fast, fast. चलो ओवर। चलो कौन आंसर दे रहा है फास्ट? Guys, you have to do your calculation fast. Chalo, 28 days, yes, is assumed. So they have given you the correct answer is see the calculation by my method. So this is your product beta. See, I'm not going to help you out in calculation part. I am not going to help you out. So please write this calculation. 17 plus 24. Write this calculation. 17 plus 31. 17th 17th of November plus 24 is of December. November, December. 17 November, December, January, February. November, December, Jan, Feb, March. November, December, Jan, Feb, March, April, May. Product and then multiplication and then calculate it. Okay, okay, okay. And total amount will be 20,000. So you are getting the answer 68, 1354. Answer is 67.7. It means 68 approx. So how to calculate 68 days? November ke 17, December ke 31. So 68 minus 17 minus 31. I'm getting the answer 20 Jan. Don't add 3 grace days. Isme. Don't add 3 grace days. So those who are not getting the answer, you can take screenshot. देखो मैं ज्यादा आपको इसमें बताऊंगा नहीं. I can't help you out because this is calculation part and that you have to do by your own. ये आप ही को करना पड़ेगा calculation part. So calculations में मैं help ही नहीं कर सकता हूँ आपको क्योंकि दिन गिनना ये बेटा बेसिक्स सेकंड थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड है. calculations, add less. Easy છે 20 Jan. So those who are getting wrong answer, please rectify your answer, beta. Please don't refer study material answer directly. Yes, Rohit Sharma, very good, beta, very good. Yes, I know you are doing it. Chalo. And please everyone participate. Participate कीजिए. Though you are getting a wrong answer, calculate it. आपको टाइम दिया जाएगा. 5 मिनट का टाइम है आपके पास. चलो, let's solve. थोड़ा अलग कैटेगरी का क्वेश्चन. Now ILU 4 is similar. So this is I'm not going to take. Z category ILU 4 is similar. ILU 5. Yes, we will take ILU 5. We will take ILU 5. चलिए. ILU 5 XY का ILU 5. Yes. So what is the formula here? Yes, I already told you. नहीं, हम लोग थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट करते हैं इसमें. ILU 6 पे आ जाइए. We'll solve ILU 6. Yes, I will give you calculations. First, Manoj has the following bills receivable and bills payable against Sohan. So beta Manoj and Sohan are two parties. For one it is bills receivable, and similarly for Manoj it is bills payable also. So bills receivable and bills payable for Manoj in one day. 6 September is a sudden holiday. 15th August is a public holiday. ये हमें पता ही है. So here was June plus 3 months. So June, July, August, September. So due date you will consider. Yes बेटा, आप due date क्या consider करोगे? 3 grace days add करके. So 4th September. Next one will be 8th September. 5 plus 3 months. 9 June plus 1 month. So 12 July. 12 July. 12 June plus 2 महीने. 15 August. और we will consider 14th August. 20 June plus 3 महीने. July, August, September. 23 September. Okay. Now here 29th May. May means June, July. And 3 grace days 32. 32 तो होता नहीं है. August is of 31. So एक दिन जुलाई का 31 दिन तो 1 अगस्त आएगा. 32 अगस्त मत लिखना. 32 जुलाई मत लिखना. Don't write 32 जुलाई. 30 जून प्लस 3 months कितना होएगा? 6 सितंबर. बट 6 सितंबर को सडन हॉलीडे, तो 6 सितंबर नहीं कंसिडर करेंगे. 7 सितंबर सडन हॉलीडे. नेक्स्ट डे you are going to consider. Sudden holiday, next day. Remember. So this is IM. Then 9 June plus 1 महीना 12 जुलाई. Now which is the base date? Base date is the earliest date. Base date, earliest date September 12 July. So July 12 is considered as base date, earliest date for both, huh, beta. Now here remember, though it is getting 12 July coincidentally, but beta both ka earliest date will be considered as a base date. So 12 July. Now you will calculate from 12 July. Yes, here only I will tell you the calculation part. What are columns? Columns beta, see, you can avoid date. Calculation of product you have to calculate na beta. What is the formula? Base date plus difference in product divided by difference in amount. Base date is 12 July. Difference in amount I can calculate easily. So take a difference in amount is 3,000. 3 plus 2.5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1.5. So this is 14,000. तीन और दो 5 और 6 11 11,000. So you will consider 14,000 minus 11,000 3,000 and difference in product को multiply कीजिए. Difference in product fast. Difference in product multiply. चलो fast. Difference in product you are going to calculate. Now product के लिए 12 जुलाई, number of days from base date. चलो fast, I am giving you exactly 5 minutes. Number of days calculate कीजिए. Yes, don't refer this answer. Yes, you do by your own. Now this is your format. Yes, do by your own, then I will show you. चलो for both हाँ बेटा, bills payable के लिए भी. बारह बजे मैं आपको ये करवाऊंगा. आंसर्स को स्क्रैच किए हुए हैं मैंने. 12:15 बजे मैं आपको कंसाइनमेंट करवाऊंगा. सॉरी, 12:15 बजे. चलो फास्ट, टिक टिक जी. You have 5 minutes in hand. I'm expecting कि no will cheat me. No one will cheat me, beta. You will do your own calculations, number of days from base date, and you will do product. Yes. Yes, last 30 seconds. रोहित शर्मा ने सबसे आंसर दिया है। वेरी गुड। इट्स ओके बेटा। 56। डोंट डू सिली मिस्टेक बेटा। सो दीज आर आंसर्स। You can write over here 12 July means 19 plus August 31 plus 4th September. 19 plus 31 plus 8. 19 plus 14. 19 plus 14, 19 plus 31 plus 31 plus 23. Sorry, this is 30 beta. Sorry, this is 30. Huh? No, 19 July, August, September. Sorry. July, August, September. 19th plus 1. 19 plus 31 plus 7. 0. Yes. Now you are getting the answer. After that, you are getting the product 449,500 minus 2,11,000. So what is the difference? Difference in product is 2,38,500, and this 2,38,500. This is, sorry, here mistake, 11,000. So 3,000. So 238,500 divided by 3,000, 79.5, 80 days. And how to calculate 80 days? 80 minus जुलाई के कितने हो जाएंगे? जुलाई के 19, 80 minus 19, अगस्त के 31. So I am getting the answer this September. Please don't make silly mistakes in calculation part. Beta, it needs practice. It needs practice. It's nothing difficult in this. बहुत easy है, बहुत easy. ठीक है? चलिए. So this is very simple. Last calculation for you, beta. Now, yes, I'm giving you the last calculation. Do by your own. I won't help you out for this. Yes. Mr. Kapoor, 15 August, 24 July emergency, 10 September Sunday. Emergency holiday next day आएगा. And this is preceding day, Sunday, preceding. So 9 September you'll consider. Here 25th July we'll consider. Chalo, 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 fast. 3 months start. 1/5 plus 3 months. Yes. One more question. 1/5 plus 3 months. 4th August I will write for you. 19 July, June, July, 22 July, August, 25th June, 28th July, 7 July, August, September, 10 September, 9 September लेंगे यहाँ पे. Then you have 17 September, 17 September. Here 60 days. Days means May के 21, 30 June. So 60 minus 21 minus 30, 9. So 9 means 12. 3 grace days we will add. एक second. 21, June 30, 60 minus 30. No plus 3, 12 आना चाहिए. Why I'm getting? ओ सॉरी 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 सॉरी, हियर इट इज 20. हाँ 31 में वही कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूँ. 10 प्लस, सॉरी इट इज 20 ऑफ मई प्लस जून के 30 एंड आगे आएंगे 10. सो 13 सितंबर. ओके 30 डेज. 30 डेज मीन्स जून के 9 एंड 9 प्लस जुलाई के कितने आएंगे? जुलाई के -9, 21, 24th July. So 24th July means 25th July, next day. This is IMP. 7 July is IMP. Next, here 45 days. तो जून के 3, नहीं 3 नहीं 2 ही. जून के 2, जून इज ऑफ 30, जुलाई के 31st. तो 45 -2 -31. आई एम गेटिंग 15 अगस्त. तो 14th अगस्त. एक 1 डे बिफोर. 50 डेज. जुलाई के 10 है ना, मतलब बचे कितने? 21. जुलाई इज ऑफ 31, अगस्त 31. सो 50 -21 -31. नो, ये तो इसके आगे चला गया, सॉरी. 50 -21, 29 +3 मीन्स 32. 32 नहीं रहेगा. सो 32 के बदले में 1 सितंबर. ओके 1 सितंबर. अगस्त का आगे का 32 अगस्त नहीं, 1 सितंबर. एंड लास्ट वन 55. तो जुलाई के कितने बचे? 16. 31 का जुलाई. सो 31 -16. आई एम गेटिंग 15. 15th of July. सो टेक ऑन कैलसी. 55 -15. अगस्त का 31 +9. 9 + 3, 12 सितंबर. यस. नाउ विच इज अर्लीस्ट डेट? 4th अगस्त. तो इधर है 4th अगस्त. नहीं 28 जुलाई. 28 जुलाई के भी पहले 25 जुलाई. सो 25 जुलाई विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज बेस डेट. आईसीआई ने कौन सी की है? आई थिंक 15 जुलाई, 13 जुलाई. 13 जुलाई है ही नहीं ना. ओ सॉरी, फर्स्ट वन इज 13 जुलाई. फर्स्ट वन इज 13 जुलाई. गलती से लिखा था मैंने. 13 जुलाई विल बी दी फर्स्ट ड्यू डेट. 13 जुलाई. यस, फर्स्ट वन इज 13 जुलाई. यहाँ पे गलती हो गई थी. आई मेड अ मिस्टेक. 13 जुलाई. यस. 13 July is the best date. Please do this calculation correctly. One single mistake will change your answer. 13 July, 13 July. Yes, bills payable का 13 July. Earliest date 13 July होगा. 13 July is the best date. चलो आगे का कैलकुलेशन करो. For both the answer is similar. चलो 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 फास्ट. 5 minutes. Yes. See beta, these calculations you have to do by your own. There is no shortcut for these calculations. शॉर्टकट्स तो कुछ है नहीं इसके, ये मैं पहले ही बता देता हूं. फॉर दिस यू नीड अ प्रैक्टिस. आई टोल्ड यू हाउ टू कैलकुलेट. टेक अ डिफरेंस. 13 July is the best date. Last 15 seconds. Yes, and you are getting the answer now. After this, we are going to take a break. And after break, I will explain you one more concept in average due date. Chalo. So what is the answer? 1,79,100. See whether you and ICI are getting same answer. Yes. You will take the difference 35,350. Amount ka difference 1,750 and 13 July plus 21 days. So this is 2nd August. So answer is 2nd August. Now I have told you the technique. See, I know I was very fast, but we do not have any other option. In next session, we have to finish account current. Sometimes only to show the way is important. It's like, you know, Arjuna beta, I will show you the way, but ultimately aim is yours and you have to try it at home. Okay. So these are very simple calculation, nothing difficult in this. So don't give up this chapter. This calculation might be you are facing problem for the first time. So this is very simple. Once you got the technique na, so it will be very easy for you. Average due date. Minimum 4 to 5 hours you can allot to this chapter. 4 to 5 hours. Okay. So you do by your own. आप घर पे एक बार इसकी तैयारी कीजिए. कैलकुलेशन में मिस्टेक होना साहजिक है बेटा, बहुत स्वाभाविक है. पहली बार मैं भी यदि एवरेज ड्यू डेट में स्टिल टुडे मैं आज भी गलती कर सकता हूँ कैलकुलेशन. सो इट्स अ ह्यूमन एरर. ओके. पर हमें कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है. डोंट गेट पैनिक इन एवरेज ड्यू डेट कैलकुलेशन. सिंगल डे रॉन्ग मिस्टेक बेटा, योर होल आंसर विल गेट रॉन्ग. सो बेटा प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू विल नॉट मेड मिस्टेक, ए सिंगल मिस्टेक. तो इतना याद रखिए और ये टॉपिक को अच्छे से कंप्लीट कीजिए. ओके. आर यू फाइंडिंग दिस चैप्टर इजी नाउ? ठीक है. रोहित शर्मा सेम मैसेज मत कीजिए ना बेटा, प्लीज. इरिटेट होता है रोहित शर्मा. एक बार एक ही मैसेज भेजो. वाई आर सेंडिंग इट फॉर 15-20 टाइम सेम मैसेज? यू आर सीए स्टूडेंट बेटा, आप अच्छे घर से भी हो, तो आप ऐसे मत कीजिए. बार बार आपके ये एक आध बार हुआ तो मैं समझ सकता हूँ. आप हर प्रॉब्लम में ऐसा कर रहे हो. एक या दो बार भेजो मैसेज. इफ यू आर एनी क्वेश्चन आई कांट सॉल्व. क्या होता है, बाकी स्टूडेंट्स के क्वेश्चन फिर मेरे से निकल जाते हैं, वो डायरेक्ट एंड पे आ जाता है क्वेरी लिंक मेरे साइड से. So try to understand. Other students are also asking questions. Some students, 90% students, they are watching it in recorded. But those who are coming in the live session, I have to give respect to their questions. So थोड़ा सा बेटा patience रखिए. Yes. So we are going to meet after break. So break के बाद हम लोग तुरंत मिलेंगे. I hope you got the answer of 2nd August. It's very easy topic बेटा. And promise me you are not going to make a silly mistake in this chapter. Yes. चलो. नो बेटा, इट्स ओके. पैनिक तो सब लोग होते ही है. सो आई एम हैविंग प्रॉब्लम इन कैलकुलेशन. यस बेटा, संयमा जी. टेक योर ओन टाइम. डोंट वरी. डोंट गेट पैनिक बेटा, बिकॉज 5 मिनट में हर कोई सॉल्व नहीं कर सकता है. नो वन कैन सॉल्व इन 5 मिनट्स. सम स्टूडेंट्स विल टेक मोर टाइम. डोंट वरी. Take your own time while solving this question. I already told you, give 4 to 5 hours for this chapter. Okay, this is really very easy chapter. So गलती की गुंजाइश ही नहीं है इसमें. Okay, तो चलो take a break and after break we are going to solve some problems of average due date और some problems of consignment. चलो अभी 2 सम्स बाकी है एवरेज ड्यू डेट के, उसके बाद हम लोग तुरंत चालू करेंगे कंसाइनमेंट के सम डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन. सो एंड सपोज इफ आई थिंक कि कंसाइनमेंट की मोर प्रैक्टिस इज रिक्वायर्ड, आई विल शेयर यू वीडियोस बेटा. डोंट वरी. चलो टेक अ ब्रेक. जल्दी से ब्रेक ले लीजिए. 10 मिनट्स. चलिए let's start once again beta. New formula if there are installments, if payment is in installments. चलिए, so I'm going to show you now new question, illustration number 9. What is the logic? Illustration number 9. Now, new type question beta. Suppose, now you can see the theory part. Case number 3. Learn calculation of average due date when amount is repaid in installments. Suppose, now if you have taken a loan and that loan you are paying in installments. So, how to calculate interest? I will first tell you the logic behind it. So it will be easy for you. Suppose you have taken a loan 10,000. How much loan beta? 10,000. Lent by Das Brothers to Kumar and Sons, which is payable in 5 equal annual installments. So installments is 2,000 per annum. So 2016, 2,000, 2017, 2,000, 2018, 2,000. Okay. 2019, 2,000 and 2020, 2,000. So in first year, interest is 10,000 into 5%. Why? Because whole 10,000 is outstanding during the year. Then 8,000 into 5%. Then 6,000 rupees to 2,000 rupees you are paying out. 4,000 is outstanding 5% and 2,000 is paying 5%. 500, 400, 300, 200 and 100. So total interest outstanding 1,500. देखो, आपने 10,000 का लोन लिया था, एक 2015 को, हर साल 2,000 रुपया यू पेड. तो पहले साल में कितना आउटस्टैंडिंग था? 10,000 का लोन था तो 10,000 का 10,000 लोन आउटस्टैंडिंग था. फिर 2,000 से कम हुआ और 2,000 से कम हुआ और 2,000 से कम हुआ और 2,000 से कम हुआ. सो टोटल लोन 2,000 से कम हुआ. सो आपका इंटरेस्ट 10,000, 8,000, 6,000, 4,000, 2,000 के हिसाब से 1,500 आएगा. नाउ बाय यूजिंग एवरेज ड्यू डेट कैलकुलेशन, you can calculate this 1,500 by using ADD formula. Now, what is the formula? Yes, this is option way 1. This is way 1. How to calculate the answer. Now, way 2. Way 2 is the answer calculation. Way 2, average due date is a date of loan. Now this is a new formula. So mark this formula as a INP1. New formula. This is not apna base date wala formula. See, in previous problems, your amounts are different and days are due dates are different. Here amount is 1, that is 10,000. You lent only 10,000 and taking installments in different way. Okay. So this is loan date is different. And then you are taking amount every month, year constantly. Every year constantly. You got the concept? So here one installment and different repayment dates. And in previous questions, there are purchase sale transactions or bill of exchange transactions. Okay. So both are different beta. Both questions are different. So what is the formula? Date of loan plus date of loan plus, yes, sum of days or months or years from the date of lending to the date of repayment. So number of years from date of lending. So beta, in our case, sum of years. Sum of years means you remember depreciation sum of digits formula. Similar to that. Okay. Only denominator यहाँ पे numerator हो जाएगा. Sum of years of digit method में you have taken in denominator sum of digits. Here you are taking in numerator. So 5 plus 4 plus 3. This is a sum divided by number of installments. So January 1, yes, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So what is your answer, beta? 3 और 3 6 4 10 15. So 15 by 5. So 15 by 5 matlab 3 years, and 3 years is 1st Jan 2018. 1st Jan 2018. Now, what is the interest amount? 1st Jan 15 to 1st Jan 18. 16, 17 और 18. 3 years. 3 years का interest. So 10,000 into 5% into 3 years, you will get the same answer, 1500. And same answer here, 1500. So this is way 2. By using average due date concept, you can calculate interest. By using average due date, instead of this 1500 total, आप average due date से भी you can calculate by using average due date concept 1500 answer. So there are two ways. Yes. Now tell me it in the comment section your formula. So beta, this is a second technique. आपके पास दो टेक्निक है. Either पहले ऑप्शन से जाइए या एवरेज ड्यू डेट निकालिए. यूजिंग दिस टेक्निक एवरेज ड्यू डेट निकाल के यू विल गेट दी नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स. तो आपको 1st Jan 15 से नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स आपको कैलकुलेट करने अप टू 1st June 1st January 2018, एंड दैट विल बी दी इंटरेस्ट अमाउंट. तो ये आपकी इंटरेस्ट अमाउंट आएगी. बहुत आसान है, बहुत आसान है. ओके. 1 जनवरी 2015 से 1 जनवरी 2018 का आंसर आएगा. एवरेज ड्यू डेट 3 साल का इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करना है ही क्या इसमें? कुछ भी नहीं है, बहुत आसान. ओके. चलो कैलकुलेट कीजिए. टेल मी दी फॉर्मूला. टेल मी दी फॉर्मूला इन कमेंट सेक्शन. चलो फास्ट फास्ट फास्ट. गॉट दिस टेक्निक बेटा? 5 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. थर्ड टाइप. देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम इन काउंटिंग. ईशा पंडित. यस बेटा. तो फॉर दैट यू नीड अ प्रैक्टिस. आज के लिए प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा ईशा पंडित जी. सर, मधिया इज आस्किंग मी, सर जो आपने कैलकुलेट किए हैं डेज है वो हिसाब से प्लीज आप एक्सप्लेन करेंगे, हमको थोड़ा डाउट आ रहा है. बेटा मैंने डेज लिख के दिए हैं, तो आप उसको एक बार लेक्चर खत्म होने के बाद शांति से देखना वापस एक बार सेशन, तो आपको बहुत आसानी से समझ में आ जाएगा. आप भी शांति से खुद भी कीजिए. टोटली मेरे ऊपर डिपेंड मत कीजिए. आपको डेट्स कैलकुलेशन में बेटा मैं कितनी उंगली लेके आपको चलाऊंगा, तो आपको खुद से भी करने पड़ेंगे. यस. फर्स्ट वे इज इजी फॉर मी. नहीं बेटा, इन एग्जाम वे टू हैव्स टू बी फॉलोड. सर फर्स्ट वे इजी भी रहेगा, तो आपको फिर भी यू हैव टू गो बाय सेकंड मेथड ओनली. बेटा संकलदीप पासवान जी, एवरेज ड्यू डेट 4 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आता है, 4 to 8 मार्क्स. तो आप स्कैनर देख लीजिए. इन स्कैनर यू विल गेट दिस. फर्स्ट वे मोर टाइम सेविंग होगा, फिर भी यू हैव टू गो बाय बेटा प्रियंका जैन सेकंड मेथड. इन एग्जाम यू हैव टू फॉलो सेकंड मेथड. सेकंड मेथड ही करना पड़ेगा. यू डू नॉट हैव एनी अदर ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट मेथड इज ओनली फॉर योर कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी. चलिए, so first method you got this. Now remaining question you can do by your own. Only one question is difficult in this. I will tell you the number. Case number 4. Case number 4 only. Yes, one more homework. That is illustration 11 in next session. तो 11 आपको खुद से करना है next session में. I will take it. Illustration 11. This is case number 4. I am not going to explain it now. I will explain it after on Tuesday, beta. This illustration only 5 to 10 minutes is required, but you first try this question. In next इसमें मैं आपका करवा के लूंगा. चलो, now come to consignment question. As I promised you, हम लोग 2 questions तो भी consignment के कर लेंगे. चलो जल्दी से आ जाइए. Consignment. इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 4 पे आ जाइए. इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 4 ऑफ कंसाइनमेंट. इलस्ट्रेशन 4 ऑफ कंसाइनमेंट. चलिए, सो इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 4. Nike Sports Company of New Delhi, consignor, consign 100 shoes to Adidas Company, Ahmedabad. So Adidas Company, German company है actually. तो Adidas Company costing rupees 1500 each. So this is a cost. But you are invoicing this at rupees 2000 each. So beta, why we are sending goods at invoice price? Reason is very simple. Logic is very simple. What is the logic behind it, beta? Logic is that you don't want to show your original cost to your consignee. So हम लोग consignee को कभी भी original cost बताते नहीं हैं, and that is only the reason we are sending them at cost. तो original cost हम लोगों को उनसे hide करके रखना है. तो original cost जब हम लोग hide करते हैं, we are sending them goods at invoice price. 2000 each is my invoice price. The consignor paid freight 10,000. This is consignor expenses. During transit, 10 shoes were totally damaged. Abnormal loss. abnormal loss. So how to remember this? बेटा 10 ट्रांजिट में डैमेज हुए, so goods are not yet received to consignee. So consignee को कितने रिसीव हुए? You can write over here. Consignee received 100 minus 10 shoes. That is 90 shoes. Have we completed ILU 4 beta? I don't know exactly. Yes beta. Please tell me it in the comment section. Okay. Have we completed beta ILU 4? Adidas company took delivery of remaining shoes, that is 90 shoes, and paid 1530 octroi duty. This is non-recurring expenditure. See, non-recurring expenditure, as you are aware, it is considered in the calculation of stock on consignment. Adidas company sent a bank draft to Nike Sports 50,000 as advance. Okay. Then 80 shoes sold by them at 2,200. Okay. So 2,200 mein, what is the cost? Cost is 1,500. You can write this. Cost is 1,500. Loading means unrealized profit. 500. Invoice price 2,000, 2,000. Profit 200. And selling price 2,200. Okay. Now, expenses incurred by Adidas and company go down rent is called as recurring expenses. Adidas company is entitled to a commission of 5% on invoice price. Invoice price is 2,000 and 25% surplus over sale price minus over invoice price. So 25% into sale price 2,200 minus invoice price 2,000. So surplus is 200. Such commission is called as overriding commission. कौन सा कमीशन बोलते हैं इसको? Overriding commission. Remember. बेटा TYK 1 to 4 I will provide you recorded sessions. आज ही मैं आपको रिकॉर्डिंग करके 2 दिन में आपको भेज दूंगा because now it's almost 12:34. I don't want to make it very hurry. Yes, I will provide you definitely recorded one for TYK 1 to 4. I will talk to Board of Studies faculty. Don't worry बेटा. So जो मुझे बहुत सारे क्वेरीज आते हैं बाद में, सर वी आर नॉट गेटिंग दिस कॉन्सेप्ट, तो यस उस टाइम पे देखेंगे बेटा. रिवीजन क्लासेस में हो गया है दिवेश जी, वो अलग है, ये अलग है. Yes. So now I'm going to solve this for you. How to solve this? Beta, see, I will show you while revision. Yes, now I will prepare consignment account for you and consignee account. Consignee is Adidas. Adidas Nike के बुक्स है. Yes, I won't write everything beta. I will remind entry and I will write in the same way. See, one important point. Profit will be same in both cases. Now remember this sentence. Please mark this sentence, write it somewhere. Loading has to be cancelled. On opposite side. On number 1, opening stock. Normally we do not have opening stock. Second one, Goods sent on consignment. This is very important line. Loading has to be cancelled. And third one is closing stock. If you are getting this concept, then only you will understand it properly. ये तीनों को आपको याद करना है. Loading has to be cancelled on opposite side. Loading has to be cancelled on opposite side. ये क्या है? We are going to understand it in while solving question. Okay. Divyanshu Kumar is saying, sir, इसमें डेल क्रेडिटर कमीशन एप्लीकेबल नहीं होगा. इट इज ओवरराइडिंग कमीशन. डेल क्रेडिटर कमीशन इज फॉर अवॉइडिंग बैड डेट्स. इफ यू आर पेइंग एक्स्ट्रा कमीशन other than normal commission, override extra overriding commission. Okay, so this sentence is very important. Beta, consignment topic normally students are finding difficult because they are not going line by line. line by line चाहिए, आपको पूरा consignment समझ में आएगा. ठीक है. और बहुत क्या होता है कि we are also getting very less time, तो कॉन्सेप्ट ये करवाने में, तो वो करना मैंने थोड़ा सा दिक्कत आता है. बट डोंट वरी, मैं रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर दे दूंगा आपको. ओके, सो लाइन बाय लाइन चाहिए. और लेजर अकाउंट्स मन में रखिए. सो आई विल शो यू. सो सम स्टूडेंट्स आर आस्किंग मी नाउ, इज कुमार जी इज आस्किंग मी, सर लेजर अकाउंट्स थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट जाता है. बेटा, आई फाउंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, दिव्यांशु. बट सी बेटा, आफ्टर सॉल्विंग 2 to 3 क्वेश्चन, you are going to understand this concept. Every student is finding consignment chapter difficult in first instance. Okay, so don't worry. Line by line, if you read the question, try to grasp the entry and then write it on the ledger account. So that's why I'm showing you how to write this. Okay. See, first one. Now, consigned 100. Yes. आवाज आ रहा है ना मेरा? लाइट गई हमारे इधर से. यस. चलिए. ओके, सो कंसाइनमेंट अकाउंट में फर्स्ट वन, रेड पेन, टू गुड्स सेंट ऑन कंसाइनमेंट. फर्स्ट एंट्री. रिकॉल माय ऑल एंट्रीज. To goods sent on consignment, how many better toys? 100 shoes into 2000. So this is 2 lakhs rupees. And opposite to this, red pen से मैं लिखूंगा, by goods sent on consignment, in bracket loading, 100 shoes into 500 rupees. So 50,000. Easy है? 100 shoes into 500 rupees. So first entry easy. Second one. Consign or paid freight and insurance in transit. Normal pen to bank, 10,000 plus 1,500. See beta, there is no cross tally for these questions. Only practice will make you perfect in this. So 2 to 3 times. To bank. During transit, 10 shoes were totally damaged. So beta, this is abnormal loss, for which I will prepare working note 1. Now see, working note 1, abnormal loss. Serial number, particulars, computation rupees. That you will do by your own. Serial number, particulars, computation rupees. In particulars column, in serial number column, Roman 1, original cost, 10 shoes into 1,500. So answer is 15,000. Roman 2, abnormal loss is in transit. So only consignor expenses we will consider. Consignor expenses. So see, consignor expenses. $1,50,000 for 100 shoes. So for 10 shoes, 1,500. And therefore, abnormal loss is 1 plus 2, 16,500. It's very simple. So only consignor expense and original cost will be considered. So abnormal loss, 16,500. Line by line we are moving. Over, over, over. Third one. Adidas company take a delivery of shoes 1530 as octroi duty. So beta consignment के debit में to Adidas, octroi duty you can write over here. How much is the amount? It's a 1530. Immediately I will update this in the credit of Adidas company by consignment 1530. By consignment 1530. Okay. Immediately updated. Bank draft, advance payment. So entry will be bank account debit to Adidas company advance payment. So not affected in consignment account, only by bank. So bank account debit to Adidas company. Beta think entry in your mind and write down in the ledger account. So bank account debit to Adidas company. Next one. 80 shoes were sold for 2,200. Entry will be consignee account debit to consignment. So consignment के credit में by Adidas and company. 80 shoes into 2,200. 1,76,000. 22 EDZA. Okay. And second effect, Adidas company के debit में to consignment 1,76,000. Very, very easy. To consignment 1,76,000. Next is he is getting commission. Commission is always on sales. So working note 2, calculation of commission. Serial number. It's like revision for you, beta. So rewatch this session again and again. 5% into invoice price, whatever is given, that I will write. And 25% into surplus. Surplus means sales minus invoice price. And then you can write here 5%. This is for one shoe. So 5% into 2,000 and 25% into 2,200 minus 2,000. So this is 100 plus 200 into 25%. 50, 50. So 150 per shoe multiplied by 80 shoes. So your commission is 4,000 rupees total. Okay. So 4,000 rupees. Yes, I'm getting the wrong answer, I think. 5% on 2,000. Oh, sorry. 12,000 is the answer. 150 into 80. I don't know what is the calculation mistake. It's a 12,000 rupees. Okay. So calculate for one shoe and then calculate for 80 shoes. Commission is always on sales. So to Adidas, commission, working note 2. So Adidas का आंसर आएगा 12,000. Second effect is in consignment account. By consignment, sorry, consignee account. By consignment, it is 12,000 commission. Immediately second effect. Now hidden entries we are going to write. So first thing I'm going to write beta stock on consignment. So inventory with on consignment or by stock on consignment. By inventory with consignment or by stock on consignment. और इन्वेंट्री विथ कंसाइनी भी लिख सकते हो. वर्किंग नोट 3. नाउ दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. स्टॉक ऑन कंसाइनमेंट. सी बेटा टोटल 100 शूज, 10 शूज डैमेज. दिस इज सेंट. डैमेज्ड 10 शूज. सोल्ड 80 शूज. So stock is 10 shoes. Serial number, particulars, computation, rupees, Roman 1 red pen. Now here it is very important. Stock is always maintained at invoice price. Now this is red pen adjustment. Stock is maintained at, stock हमेशा invoice price पे maintain होगा. Please understand these concepts carefully. Don't try to be in hurry. बेटा ये concepts को समझ में लेने की कोशिश करो. Okay? Commission is very easy now. बेटा आदिश शाह, एबनॉर्मल लॉस का गलती किया क्या मैंने? एबनॉर्मल लॉस में गलती हुआ है. सॉरी, एबनॉर्मल लॉस में कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुआ है. ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ कंसाइन और एक्सपेंसेस बेटा कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक हुआ है. कंसाइन और एक्सपेंसेस 11,500. Okay. So 1150 and 16,150. Okay, I made a mistake in the putting answer. Consign or expenses is 11,500. Why I considered 1,50,000? Really don't know. So abnormal loss 16,150. Yes, I have not seen your queries बेटा. मैं flow में अड़क गया था. आदिल शाह जी, गिव अप नहीं करना है. ये संकेत सर के स्टूडेंट्स है, बहादुर स्टूडेंट्स है. आपने ये बोलना ही नहीं है खुद को कि सर मुझे ये डिफिकल्ट जा रहा है. अरे लाइन बाय लाइन जाना बेटा, लाइन बाय लाइन जाओ, अपने आप आंसर आएगा. वाई टू गिव अप बेटा? मन में से निकाल दे ये कुछ मैं डिफिकल्ट कर रहा हूँ. चलो, एबनॉर्मल लॉस का मैंने गलती किया था, आई रेक्टिफाइड इट. स्टॉक इज शोन ऑन. यस बेटा, नाउ आई हैव सीन योर क्वेरी. एबनॉर्मल लॉस की गलती हुई थी. चलो, तो यहाँ पे यू हैव टू राइट इनवॉइस प्राइस. व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट बेटा? इनवॉइस प्राइस. क्या लिखना है आपको? इनवॉइस प्राइस. व्हाट इज इनवॉइस प्राइस बेटा? हाउ मेनी शूज आर रिमेनिंग? 10 शूज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय बेटा 2,000, 20,000. So what is the invoice price? 20,000. Then remaining is same beta. Consignor expenses. Consignor expenses is similar. 11,500 divided by beta 100 into 10. 1150. And Roman 3, yes, what you are going to write? Consignees non-recurring expenses. Consignees non-recurring expenses. So what is consignees expenses non-recurring beta? Only octroi duty, 1530. Divide by beta, it is very important. He received only 90 shoes received by Adidas into 10. 170. And now inventories or stock on consignment. You can write inventories or stock on consignment, whatever you want. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 21,320. 21,320. Array, go down rent, I forgot, beta. Go down rent. 21,320. And go down rent, we have to write again to 2 Adidas. Go down rent. This is 2000. Now on stock on consignment, this is second effect is by consignment over here. 2000. Okay. Now on stock on consignment, now this is very important. You will cancel loading, and this loading on closing stock is called as stock reserve. This is important one, red pen. So what is the loading? How many shoes are there? 10 shoes. And what is the loading on this? Yes, we calculated now 500 rupees. This is 500 rupees loading. So that we have to cancel because we recorded at 2000. हमने कौन से प्राइस पे रिकॉर्ड किया? हमने यहाँ पे इसको 2000 पे रिकॉर्ड किया, पर उसकी कॉस्ट कितनी है? 1500. So we have to cancel loading. So this is a presentation. How much is the loading, beta? 500 into 10, 5000. And now you are going to calculate profit oblique loss. So consignment profit P&L में जाएगा. Take on calci. 50,000, 16,150, 1,76,000. Abnormal loss में गलती हुआ था. Now I rectified it. Don't give up. Don't give up this chapter. I'm getting 31,440. Yes. 31,440. I'm getting the answer. And total you can take. And by bank, $110,470. Yes, 110,470. So by bank, I will show you the answer. Don't worry, I will show you the answer. So maximum time for this question, beta. Time for this question, you will need 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Yes. You can take a screenshot. ILU 4. One more illustration I'm going to take. And then we'll give a break. So beta, please make sure that you will attend this session properly. Don't give up a single question in this chapter. 10 to 12 marks weightage. Full marks you will get it. Yes, beta, repair का मैं solve करवाता हूँ. Sir, now consignment is very easy by step process. ठीक है. Very good. पुनीत दरक, इतना टेंशन मत लीजिए. 25th January, then sir, what will be the maturity date? 3 grace days add करना है. 28th Jan. Yes. बेटा line by line जा. Adish, line by line ja. You will never make a mistake in this. Line by line is a very simple technique for solving these questions. Take a screenshot. Yes, stock reserve I have written in the stock on consignment के working note में. ध्वनि, yes बेटा, very good बेटा ध्वनि. Consignment chapter easy छे बेटा. चलो, we are going to solve one more question. इलू 5 हम लोग कर लेते हैं. इलू 5. See, in इलू 6, these kgs are of no use. Kgs are of no use. It is to confuse us. So you will focus only on number of packets and number of tins. So kgs पे focus ही मत कीजिए. You focus only on. चलो एक काम करते हैं. First we will solve इलू 6 and then if time permits we will solve इलू 4. Repairs जो है ना बेटा, ये repairs. Repairs is very easy. This is, don't consider in the stock on consignment. This is your expenses, but don't consider in stock on consignment valuation. Don't consider. Write down over there 2,500. ILU 5 is really very easy. Just understand that repairing cost is not considered in the consignment valuation. Write down over there. Solve that question. You will find it easy. Don't worry. चलो एक और क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. 6 नंबर. Why? What happens in consignment? I am telling you, students are finding this because they do not have patience. They are not reading it properly. They are not solving why this question, what is recurring, what is non-recurring, and they then find this topic is very difficult. So आप वो मत कीजिए, अपने आप सब समझ में आएगा. मैं हूं ना आपके साथ. कंसाइनमेंट बोला तो आधे बच्चों को ऐसा होता है कि ओ बाप रे सर कितना डिफिकल्ट है. अरे कुछ नहीं यार, बहुत इजी है. क्यों है ही नहीं फाउंडेशन में कुछ डिफिकल्ट. एंड वी आर संकेत सर स्टूडेंट्स, फाइटर है हम लोग. तो हम लोग बेसिक्स इतना स्ट्रांग है, क्यों डरेंगे हम लोग एंट्रीज से. लाइन बाय लाइन सर ने टेक्निक दिया, ठीक है ना. एक आध एडजस्टमेंट डिफिकल्ट भी होगा तो भी क्या होगा, एक आध एडजस्टमेंट रहने दो डिफिकल्ट. नहीं तो मजा क्या है सीए कोर्स में, सब कुछ इजी 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 रहेगा. तो कुछ तो अलग ट्राई करो ना नॉर्मल लेमैन से. और है ना, सर ने सब लॉजिक बताए, बाकी पूरे इंडिया को डिफिकल्ट जाने दो. हम लोग तो जाएंगे लाइन बाय लाइन. यस, चलो इलू 6. विक्रम मिल्क फूड्स कंपनी ऑफ विजय कुमार sent to Sundar Stores Sonpuri 5,000 kgs. Now 5,000 kgs of no use. Sir already told you. Kgs बीजीज पे ध्यान नहीं देने का. It's to confuse us. What is TCU? To confuse us. Don't focus on kgs. Try to understand only teens. Okay. So how many teens are there? 2,000 teens. 2,000 teens. And how many packets are there, beta? 6,000 packets are there. Okay, so 2,000 teens and 6,000 packets. Please write everything that I am writing on the question. Okay, so don't कुछ भी छोड़ो मत. जो भी मैं क्वेश्चन में लिख के दे रहा हूं वो पूरा का पूरा लिखने की कोशिश कीजिए. बहुत सिंपल है. तो विक्रम ने क्या किया, ये विक्रम इज अ कंसाइनर, सुंदर स्टोर्स इज अ कंसाइन. लाइन बाय लाइन जाएंगे. ओके, 5,000 kgs नॉट इंटरेस्टेड, 2,000 teens interested, 1 kg ka and 6,000 kgs of half kg. Okay. Now the consignee's commission was 5% on sale proceeds. Okay. ठीक है. The cost price and selling price are given below. So this is cost 10, selling price 15 for teens, and packet का 6 rupees is the cost and 7 rupees selling price. दिमाग में डाल दो figures. Yes. Understand these figures. Cost price 10, selling price 15, but obvious 10 is of 1 kg, so 10 is costlier than packet because packet is only of half kg. 6 रुपया 7 रुपया. The consignment was booked on freight to pay basis. Freight to pay basis. To pay basis. Now what is this? Is a new concept. New concept. You can write over there. To pay basis means consignor expenditure paid by consignee. What is this concept? Consignor's expenditure paid by consignee. Okay, so this is the new concept. To pay freight basis. Okay, IMP. कंसाइनर का खर्चा किसका है? कंसाइनर का। पर पे कौन करेगा? जिसको माल मिला। किसको माल मिला? कंसाइनी को माल मिला। सो ही इज गोइंग टू पे इट। ओके, सो कंसाइनर एक्सपेंडिचर पेड बाय कंसाइनी लास्ट 20 minutes, and this is 2% on selling value. Now this is very important. 2% on selling price. So freight we are paying it, but on what price beta? On selling. One case containing 50 kgs, 50 टीन्स. So बेटा 2000 टीन में से कितने टीन्स चले गए? 50 टीन्स. And now this is also first time you received insurance claim. You received insurance claim. So now what is the concept? Insurance claim we received. So बेटा received कितना था? Now this is the sales which are showing. Received. Now how many teens received? 1950. Write down over there. And 6,000 packets they received. But what is the balance? 450 balance and 2,000. So balance stock. Balance stock 450 and 2,000. 450 and 2,000. Store rent and insurance 600. Now this is the information by consignee. So this is recurring expenditure. This is recurring expenditure. Find out the closing value of inventory. Okay, 450 stock and 2,000 and consignee account. Okay. फाउंडेशन बैच 5 विथ संकेत सर, संकलदीप जी, आपका ये आंसर है। फाउंडेशन बैच 5 विथ संकेत सर। ओके, नाउ सी हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस. नाउ दिस इज लाइक रिविजन फॉर यू. कंसाइनमेंट अकाउंट, and second one is consignee account. Line by line we will move. Consignment account and consignee account. 2,000 tins and 6,000 packets. What is the cost that we are going to write? 10 and 6. So 2 goods sent on consignment. 2,000 tins at ₹10. 6,000 packets at ₹6 na? 6 rupees. So take on calci, memory plus ka function. 2,000 into 10 memory plus, 6,000 into 6 memory plus, memory recall 56,000. First is over. Red pen. To consignee freight. Who paid it? Consignee paid it. 2% into 2,000 into selling price. Beta freight is on sales value 15 and 6,000 into 7. So take on calci beta. Memory recall कर दीजिए, 0 कर दीजिए. Memory 0 करिए. 2,000 into 15 memory plus, 6,000 into 7 memory plus, memory recall 72,000 into 2%. So beta this is 1440. Actually this is consignor expenses. Consignor expenses बट पेड बाय कंसाइनी। सो कंसाइनी के क्रेडिट में आएगा बाय कंसाइनमेंट 1440। इजी છે एकदम इजी। यस। थर्ड वन, so freight basis commission pending, commission point pending, you can write over there, it is still pending commission. Next, commission pending। so बेटा सेलिंग प्राइस पे लिया हमने, बरकतुल्ला जी सेलिंग प्राइस पे लिया। वन केस कंटेनिंग 50 kgs lost in transit, so working note 1, abnormal loss, abnormal loss, abnormal loss, serial number, particulars। बेटा freight is only calculated using that technique, computation rupees। Roman 1, original cost। तो abnormal loss कितना टीन्स का हुआ है? 50 टीन्स ना, 50 टीन्स। 50 टीन्स multiplied by original cost is ₹10। टीन्स का प्राइस है 10 रुपीज, तो 500। एंड रेड पेन से consignor expenses, now this is important, 2% is a freight। 50 tins into their selling price, so selling price is 15। this is very important, 50 into 15, freight is on sales basis, so 515। so Roman 3, abnormal loss 1 plus 2, 615, 515, 515 less insurance claim first time given, insurance claim given, how much? 450। so net loss 3 minus 4, 65। तो बेटा बाय abnormal loss 65 and by bank 450, so net is 515। you have to credit net 515, but this is how you are going to present it by bank। at the end of the first year, sales amount is given, so abnormal loss working note 1 by consignee, by consignee you can write name beta in exam, yes, by consignee how many tins sold by him? 1500 into 15 rupees plus 4000 into 7 rupees, $50,500 to consignment, consignee के डेबिट में 50,500। what is the commission to consignee? commission point is pending 5% into 50,500, 2525, and you will write by commission में by consignment 2525। then line by line में what is the next line beta? charges, rent, So this is to consignee his expenses, but these are recurring expenses. So what is the amount? 600. And where to give second effect? By consignment, 600. Easy है अब तक. Now working note 2. By stock on consignment. By stock on consignment, working note 2. Very easy. Working note 2. Stock on consignment. Serial number. Particulars. Computation. Rupees. So balance कितना बचा है? How many teens are left, beta? I already told you 450 teens and 2000 packets. You can write like this. Number 1, original cost. 450 teens into 10 rupees and 2000 into 6 rupees. Packets का अलग, इसका अलग. 450 into 10, 2000 into 6 memory plus 12,000, 16,500 memory 0. Consignor expenses. Rate 2% into 450 into 15 plus 2000 into 7. And then on that 2%. So 450 into 15 memory plus 2000 into 7 memory plus memory recall into 2%. 415. 16,915. Consign is non-recurring expense, beta 0. Stock on consignment. 16,915. Easy છે? $16,915. And now we will get the profit. 16,915. Yes, now it's easy, beta. 3. These questions are not at all difficult. What is the new concept here? Freight on pay basis. And to profit, now you can call profit. So profit I'm getting 7365. Yes, 7365 is a profit. And here it's a balancing figure. 3,500 minus 1440 minus 2525 minus 600. I'm getting answer 45,935 by bank. Yes. खत्म हुआ रे. You want my presentation? Ilu 6 na? Yes, now I know you are hungry now. Ilu 6 ले लीजिए. And please take a screenshot of index also. ले लीजिए बेटा, ले लीजिए. And index का भी फोटो निकालिए. I know बहुत ज्यादा हेडेक वाला चैप्टर था. Lakshita is saying, sir, the chapter was very difficult, but I will solve it again and again till easy. Thank you for boosting my confidence. Sarthak said, अरे बेटा easy छे बद्दू, कुछ भी difficult नहीं है. And take a screenshot of index. चलो index का screenshot पहले से ले लीजिए. Index is very important for this chapter. Please read it carefully. इलू 1 2 ओ सॉरी बेटा, माय लैपटॉप हैंग हो गया बेटा, वो भी हैंग हो गया। तो आई डोंट नो हाउ, पर हैंग हो गया है। ठीक है, तो आपको मैं इंडेक्स नेक्स्ट इसमें बता दूंगा, प्लीज मुझे याद करवाना कि सर टेक इंडेक्स। एक सेकंड ना, please share this session to maximum friends, because consignment and average due date is really very easy as compared to consignment. But consignment ka problems you have to keep patience. Understand, this chapter is not at all difficult, but yes, आपको पेशेंस रखने पड़ेंगे। और मैं आपको पहले ही बोलता हूं कि ये चैप्टर में यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल, यू हैव टू डू इट लाइन बाय लाइन। चलो इंडेक्स ले ही लीजिए, इंडेक्स ले ही लीजिए। It will help you at the time of revision. चलो लीजिए, you have to be very careful for this chapter. Why students are making mistake ये chapter में? Because they do not have patience, they do not understand the adjustment, they are not getting the concept of cost and invoice price, where to cancel loading. Then they do not understand what is a commission, they do not understand del creditor commission concept, they are lacking in the consignees entries also. So sometime ICA may ask you consignee entries, so be careful while passing these entries. Sir, please don't give up, is my only opinion to you. कुछ भी होने दो, वापस 2 बार लेक्चर देख लो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता, 4 घंटे जाएंगे, बट 4 hours विल मेक यू श्योर अबाउट दिस चैट। सो बार बार लगातार रिवीजन कीजिए, और हर क्वेश्चन को 3-3, 4-4 बार सॉल्व कीजिए, 3-3, 4-4 बार। डू इट फॉर मिनिमम 3 to 4 times. So this is the index of last A category question, almost A category questions है. Do it by your own, and remaining questions I will give you in the recording form. Okay, so मैं recording में आपको देने ही वाला हूँ, so don't give up. चलो तो मिलते हैं, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर कीजिए और लाइक कीजिए। ओके, सो ये सेशंस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सेशंस थे, तो आपके सभी फ्रेंड्स को कंसाइनमेंट आने दीजिए एंड एक्सप्लेन टू योर फ्रेंड्स कंसाइनमेंट चैप्टर, सो इट विल बिल्ड योर कॉन्फिडेंस। सो चलो, टेक केयर, बाय बाय। कल मिले, ट्यूसडे को मिलेंगे एट सेम टाइम 11 AM, और उसके बाद मेरा सेशन डायरेक्टली पार्टनरशिप का होगा। सो पार्टनरशिप का लाइन से 5 दिन का सेशन है, सो मेक श्योर पार्टनरशिप में आप कुछ भी मिस नहीं करोगे। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।